Land Rover Defender 90, 200 horsepower, 3-litre engine, SE in Santorini black. But this car is priced on the money to sell, £65,990. Do your research. We say it all the time, the best buy in the UK. On top of that, it's an SE, so you've got leather, heated seats, electric seats, but it's also got some key extras. The wheels, 20-inch, 6 split spoke wheels. It's in high gloss black, key feature, and completely changed the look of the car. You've then got the side steps finished in black, mud flaps, and the spare wheel cover in high gloss black as well on the back, which all looks superb. Black badging, so it looks really, really well. And like I said, 65,990, Land Rover warranty till 2024, and Land Rover Assist. Keyless entry. Also, you can see it's got privacy on the back there as well. Now then, this is what I'm talking about. Because this car's an SE, you get the extra features. So we've got memory seats, Meridian sound system, full electric heated leather, another huge extra panoramic glass roof. The car's got the extra clear sight camera as well built into this visor, which I'll show you later in the video. So it's got great spec. On top of that, it's black, so it looks right. The best-selling colour for Defenders at the moment, no questions asked, is Santorini black. So the car's an SE, so you've got the extras like Meridian sound, electric seats, other features. So you've got your full reversing camera and surround cameras, but here's the big one. So we've got the clear sight camera there as well, which is another option. And then the big one, sliding panoramic sunroof, another. It's just an expensive option, so you don't tend to find lots of these cars have got that because it's such an expensive option. It's nearly £2,000. Well, this one, they've paid for it, it's got it. Other features, things that you get as standard: automatic lights, wipers, cruise control, and then you've got all your new digital screen with all your different digital climate control, your heated seats options, low traction launch, all the different 4-wheel drive features. So you get all that as well, all as standard. This car's a 5-seater, so you've got 3 big seats in the back, lots and lots of room, so there's plenty of space in the back there as well, with all your Isofix and everything. But the key things with this car, the wheels, such an expensive option. Sliding panoramic sunroof, but then it's all black. Things like the spare wheel cover, the side steps, they're things that just transform the look of the car. You've still got a decent bit of boot space. You can get cases and things in on a 90. But on top of all that, it is priced on the money, £65,990. With it being an SE as well, you can see the headlights. It's got the Matrix LED headlights. Great car, priced on the money, Land Rover Defender 90.